Welcome to part 2 of the Introduction to Mould3r series. In this video, we'll go over the Fixture editor, which you'll need to set up custom mold blanks for your designs. To get to the Fixture editor, either enter through the Fixture Create Fixture path, or use the Fixture Change Fixture Create Fixture route. Either of these will open the Fixture editor. At this stage, we'll need to enter a name for our fixture. I'll just use my fixture for this demonstration. Then we'll need to enter a path for our two mold halves. A note: these mold halves need to be in step format to work. When we have our information entered, press Create to continue. Now that we're in the Fixture editor, we'll go over the tools that are available to us. We can change the specified mold half file path at any time. We can also toggle the visibility of a mold half to work with just one at a time. The Fixture tools allow us to change the position, orientation, or the scale of each mold half. The Center tool will align the origin of the mold half file with the origin of the scene, while retaining the scale and rotation. The Align Face lets us snap any face on the model to the parting plane. The injection points list allows us to designate the point where plastic enters the mold. There may be multiple options depending on the mold you're designing, and you can add as many as you want. In the design environment, you can change between them to control where the sprue is generated from. Each of the feature cards on the left allows you to designate defaults. You can specify the type of feature geometry as well as the dimensions of the features. These can always be changed later in the main design environment, but if you know the best feature settings for a mold, it's helpful to add them up front. Our goal in the Fixture editor is to designate A and B mold halves, ensure our mold halves are oriented correctly to each other, and make sure that the parting line of the mold is configured correctly to the parting line of the environment, indicated by the grid. When we've aligned our mold halves, designated at least one injection point, and ensured the parting plane matches with the grid, we can save our fixture. The next time we enter our Select Feature screen, it'll have our new fixture. This process created a .fixture file for us to select. This file contains paths to the two mold halves as well as any settings you specified. This means that the position of the mold half files must stay in the same place relative to the fixture file. To make this simple, we recommend putting the mold half files into the fixture folder next to the molder.exe. If it's changed, it could break the fixture and cause errors. You can see this in our demo fixture. We have the demo fixture file and the two .step halves. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll go over the preview perspective, which we can use to analyze our mold outputs and export our files to complete our design. Please let us know if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions down below or at contact@mould3r.com.